Good morning, traders. This is Bob Haberkorn coming from you from RJO Futures here in Chicago. I'd like to talk today about some stuff interesting that I see in the gold market right now. Keep an eye right now on that 1625 level for the Oct or even the December contract right now. That's a big key level here right now. If we can confirm a close through 1625, we did have some moves through it this morning on those weak GDP numbers at 1.5%. And I think that's going to continue with weak GDP here, coming into even the third quarter right now with the bad corporate earnings we had. But going back to the gold, 1625 is a key level. If we trade through 1625 from a technical standpoint on the close, you should see this thing make a sizable run. I'm looking for actually a run to 1700. I know that's a bold call, but I do like getting it on gold above 1625 here. If not today at some point, maybe even looking into next week. There's too many things going on right now, too many shoes to drop, whether it be out of Europe. The ECB chairman's comments that came out earlier this week really gave it a shot in the arm and to put it into the stratosphere up above that 1600 level. Next week, you got the Fed doing some stuff here in Jackson Hole. Who knows? Maybe they do come out with some type of QE, some easing. Things are getting pretty bad. While I disagree with QE from a standpoint of dollar destruction, I do think that the markets are being held hostage with a gun to their head by the Fed with this prospect of QE. If they do in fact do something with some form of easing, whether they call it that or not, I do think 1700 is going to be will be left in the dust after a QE announcement. So keep an eye on 1625. Traders should look to buy it. Stop range on it, it's kind of up to where you think. I mean, I think you got to give this some room. If you're looking for the risk on it, you can call me. We could talk a little more about it if you have questions with that. If you're not, if you're kind of risk off right now and you're looking at a 1625 move, look at options. I've been looking at a lot of pricing out a lot of call spreads, as well as buying just an outright call in the gold market, depending on what clients want to spend. But it's definitely a way, I think, to capitalize on this thing before this move starts, because it's starting to build itself. 1540 held pretty good on the bottom side. But we're pushing 16 and a quarter, which looks to be a good spot to maybe be getting in to start buying more. If you have any questions, like I said, my name is Bob Haberkorn. Please feel free to give me a call. And remember, futures trading is not suitable for all investors and does pose a significant risk.